Have you ever tried to open an app and seen a message saying you will be able to access this application? Please pay now to regain access. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, try restarting your smartphone. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve many issues. Turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Next, check if the app requires a subscription or a one-time purchase. Open the App Store or Google Play Store for Android. Now search for the app and review its payment requirements. Make sure your payment information is up to date. Open the App Store, go to your account settings and verify your payment methods. Update any expired credit cards or billing account information. Here you can organize everything. Now, if you're using an Android device, try clearing the app's cache and data. Here's how. Go to Settings, tap on Apps or Application Manager. Find and tap on the app, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. If none of these steps works, contact the app support team for assistance. Look for a support email or contact form of the app's page in the App Store or the developer's website. And that's it. You've now learned how to solve the issue of being unable to open an app due to a payment prompt. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.